Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a cast iron blackberry cobbler. It's so delicious and it's so easy. These are the ingredients. This is 1.5 cups, which is 185 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, just put that right in, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then you're going to use 2 cups of sugar, but right now we're just going with 1 cup, and the second cup is used later on in the recipe. So you just whisk this all together. And then of course, you don't have to use blackberries, but this year the blackberries have been so beautiful. This is 12 ounces of blackberries. Over here we have the wet ingredients. This is 1 cup, 250 milliliters of milk. That's a whole milk. This is 8 tablespoons, 1 stick, or 112 grams of butter, which I've melted. As I heated up my oven, I melted this butter. You don't have to do this in a cast iron pan, but it does give you a great crust. As you know, I love my machines, but this is so simple. I'm just doing it all by hand, easy. This goes into the pan. Really simple batter. You put your berries over it. These are blackberries, but you could use blueberries or strawberry, whatever you like. Then you sprinkle 1 cup of sugar over these blackberries. That's 200 grams of sugar. Here's the strange part of this recipe. You take 1 cup of boiling water and you pour it over the top, and that will make sort of a glaze with the sugar. Really good. That's 1 cup of boiling water. This goes into a 350 degrees oven, which is 175 Celsius. When it's golden brown and delicious and with a nice little crusty crust on top, it comes out and I'll see you then. Just look at this. This came out of the oven about 20 minutes ago. I think it's beautiful in its simplicity. Look at this. How beautiful, rustic. It's a cobbler that, as you can see, the fruit has sunken, and the top, this part has a little crust to it because of that sugar that we put on top. That's not all, because this hails from the state of Louisiana. Louisiana always makes a sauce for their desserts. They'll have a sauce for their bread puddings and things like that. So we're going to make a sauce, and it's very simple. This is a 14-ounce can, which is 396 grams of a sweetened condensed milk, but it's actually turned into dulce de leche. And what that is a caramelized sweetened condensed milk. This stuff is so delicious. You can do this, you don't have to. There are various ways to do it. You can boil the can and cook it for, I want to say it's 3 hours. The way I did this is I left this can of sweetened condensed milk in a hot garage for a summer, and it became dulce de leche, which is odd. Anyway, sweetened condensed milk or dulce de leche, your choice. And that's 1 can and then 1 cup of heavy cream. So all that you do is you just blend these 2 flavors together. 1 tablespoon of either bourbon or rum, either one, and it is so delicious. Just mix everything together, and when it's mixed, it's done. It's so simple, just like this dessert, so easy. Here's your fruit on the bottom, and then you have this biscuit topping with sugar on top of that. And it's delicious just like this. You really don't need to do anything else. But if you want to gild the lily, you make this sauce. You have to make this. You saw it went together in about a minute. It baked for about an hour at 350, 175 Celsius. This is so delicious. It's not too sweet. It's the berries in there give it a lightness, and then you have this biscuit topping. It's really, really great. The sauce, optional, but it's fabulous with it. I do hope you try this, and let me know if you do. Thank you so much for watching Nina in the Kitchen. Come back for more stuff. Bye, guys.